It is a rare occasion that anyone has the same amount of face time with our customers at the sales and executive levels than a technician directly does at the job site. I feel great privilege to be able to present the 2016 Toya this evening. EGSA Certified Tech number 368170, kind of sounds like it should be in stripes, has been in the field now for more than 29 years with 19 years in power generation. That he always goes the extra mile to ensure that customer equipment is up and running when needed most. He's been heavily involved with all aspects of this industry. He's upfront and honest when he needs additional information, pursues it, and gets a situation resolved with little to no follow-up required from the service department. I would now like to call Mr. David Yuro and John McClure of Modern Power Systems to the stage.
Dave, you're one of the finest examples of an employee-owned, what an employee-owned owner should do in the field. You're fully invested in what you do. There's not been a challenge that you haven't welcomed, and nor a problem that you haven't tackled head on. On behalf of the 300 plus owners at Modern and in this industry, I just want to congratulate you and thank you for the job well done.
David, on behalf of the EGSA Board of Directors and our members, I present you with the 2016 EGSA Toya. Wow.
Thank you very much. This is amazing. I mean, like a Lifetime Achievement Award. I didn't think I had a chance, honestly, against the thousands of just amazing technicians out there. But it's just great. I also want to thank my wife because she deals with the 2 a.m. phone calls and the canceled plans and everything else that's part of being a generator technician, and she takes it in stride. And working for Modern, what a great company. I mean, it's just employee owned and everybody pitches in, does a great job, and I wouldn't be able to do this without them. So thank you very much.
No Toya winner would be complete without our signature leather jacket. Look at that. Oh yeah. Style. Bob Piskey secured a top-of-the-line fluke meter just for you, David, complete with our Toya logo and your name etched onto it. We also upped the ante this year, thanks to Tom Wayne and the great leadership team of the Generac Power Systems Industrial Power Division. They generously, very generously, donated a personal genset, the IQ 3000 model for David.
And they told me I won, which I was just blown away. I actually sat in my truck for about 10 minutes, just staring at them, like just in disbelief. And it's just amazing. And like my boss said, it's kind of like a Lifetime Achievement Award. And I'm still blown away. You know, I guess it's going to take me a few weeks to really let it settle in, and it's just amazing.
Dave's cool, calm, and collected. He doesn't get frazzled. He understands he has a job to do and how important that job is with customers and getting that machine either back online or getting it working. Nothing phases him. He gets the job done.
It was by accident, actually. I started off as a forklift mechanic, and the company I worked for at the time did away with fixing forklifts and asked me if I would be interested in doing power systems. So I did, and I just fell in love with it. I mean, I love the industry. It's the best thing that ever happened to me, really. I just like the fact that it's not just the mechanical, it's for electrical as well. And you get to deal with different people, engineers, and not just a guy in a loading dock or something. You actually get to deal with the people that design the systems and people that, I mean, life critical applications, and it's way more interesting.
We're always looking for technicians, especially the quality, technician is tough to come by. 4.5 years ago, we didn't have any, we had 0 EGSA certified technicians. I think today we're pushing about 10 in our organization, a little more than, or just about half of what the technician force we have.
I always assimilate it to like ASE for automotive. You know, it's the standard of the industry. It's what separates a technician from, a mechanic from a technician. It's a higher level, and you try to always attain that. If you can pass something like that, I mean, you're pretty well-rounded. So.
Dave's a master technician, EGSA certified technician, and now the Toya winner. I think that's huge.
I didn't really think too much about it until my boss nominated me, and at that point, I thought there's just no way. I mean, there's so many great technicians out there. The odds of me winning it, like winning the lottery.
Whether it's 5 degrees outside or 100 degrees outside, they're out there in some pretty bad situations. And I just felt it was very important for us as an organization to pat these technicians on the back.
It's amazing. Yeah, it's actually wireless. So like, you can hook it up to say an ATS that's almost 100 feet away and monitor the amp on the ATS while you're in your truck monitoring something else or watching a load bank. If I get away from my wife, I will wear it. She told me I'm pretty much not going to have much of a chance to wear it, but I will absolutely wear that jacket. It's great. I think that'll be a good thing for camping or something on the beach. Or it's nice, real quiet. I'm very, very grateful. I mean, I just want to thank everybody at EGSA and everybody at Modern for giving me this award. It's just the greatest thing that could happen to me in the industry, and I just want to thank everyone.